This quick tutorial, I will show you how to create group chat on Facebook Messenger. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorials about Facebook Messenger tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to create group chat on Facebook Messenger. So the very first thing you need to do is to simply click on your messenger. Now the next thing you need to do is to click on this pencil icon. Now the next thing you need to do is to simply click on group chat. At this point here, add as many as possible members into the group. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on create. Boom, a group will be created successful, just like what you see right here. So you can add as many as possible to the group. For you to do that, you simply click on here to add more people. You can also name the group. Click on here to name your group. So let me simply click on that. Then we can change the name to tutorial. Then click on save. So the name has been successfully changed to tutorial. Then you can click on here to check on all the members of the group. It's as simple as that. So you can customize, you can send picture, you can send photo, you can send video, audio notes, you can also send chat into this particular group. So this is how to basically create group chat on Facebook Messenger. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Facebook Messenger topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.